Hello, привет! My name is Stanislav and I'm the author of Поехали books and the founder of Extra Class Language Center. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a common mistake students make when they speak Russian, with the little word только, only. It's true that the Russian word order is quite flexible, but it's not entirely arbitrary. So, только can indeed stand anywhere in the sentence. It doesn't have a fixed place, but it would change the meaning of the statement. Students often say things like «She only speaks Russian», «Она только говорит по-русски», which in Russian would mean that she can only speak Russian, but she can't read or write or maybe understand even. Because the Russian «только» is a very short-handed word. It can only affect the word next to it on the right, but not through the word, not the following one, never. So you can have all possible combinations, but these sentences would have different meanings. Только она говорит по-русски. She is the only Russian-speaking person here. Она только говорит по-русски, but she can't read or write. Она говорит только по-русски, she doesn't speak any foreign languages. Or let's take, for example, you only read crime stories. It can be только ты читаешь детективы, and nobody else around likes them. You are the only person who reads crime stories here. Ты только читаешь детективы. You only read crime stories, but you don't write them, or maybe you don't commit crimes yourself, right? Hopefully. And ты читаешь только детективы, and you don't like reading anything else. You can think of your own examples of misplaced только and the resulting meaning and write them in the comments. Thank you. Hope it was useful and fun, as usual. If you want to speak better Russian, book your Russian course at Extra Class and see you online. Пока!